Namaskar. So, how do you see asthma in horoscope? Those who have asthma, you will see a pattern that Shani is aspecting their third house, and either it is aspecting third house or it is there in the third house. There can be Aries zodiac sign also in the third house, which is afflicted, and it can, in most of the cases, there you will see that like Shani's 10th aspect is not very auspicious. So Shani's 10th aspect is there on the third house. So Shani is placed in the sixth house, or it can be from anywhere else also, because Shani and third house both represents our breathing, and when both are afflicted, then such problem